Welcome to Wiggle Sticks TV.
Well, I'm back out here again with the back end of this off. I have got on the foot stands, which indicates I've had a bit of a change. So I end up pulling out the old shock and replacing it with a lovely new Nitron. It's hard to see in there with this light. It's in there. It's a pretty straightforward process to install it. Undo the top two bolts, one here and then the bottom bolt, and then undo the plastic battery box. I actually also had this part of the tank undone as well, and that lets you take the shock straight through the top, and then essentially put the other one back in and route the preload adjuster onto the side over here. I think this is how it's supposed to be mounted. It seems it won't fit on my other side because of my exhaust bracket. It's supposed to mount to the foot pegs. So yeah, I'm pretty excited that this is all in there now. I didn't video it because I didn't really know what I was doing, and I've sort of got a custom setup without this battery box is anyway. So normally you just undo the two bolts at the back of here, take the battery out, undo the two bolts, and it'll slide straight through. But I had a bit more of a messy little process. Yeah, so it's pretty good to have it in there now. I'll just put the rest of the I've got to torque up the bolts now because I just got this all routed in properly. I'll give the guys at I'll give the guys at Suspensions R Us a buzz in the morning just to make sure that I've got it routed correctly. I think it is. I don't really see it can go any other way. So yeah, I think I'm looking forward to getting out on for a spin maybe in the next couple of days and seeing what the difference is like. Yeah. And then the next video you'll probably see is I have all the track fairing and everything all sanded back now, so I need to take this fairing off, put the other fairing on, and get all the mounting points and stuff ready for it. So yeah, a little quick update for today. Nitron shock, I'll put the specs down below. I think I went with the R1 version of it with the hydraulic adjuster, which is the entry-level Nitron, but it's the quality and everything of the shock is really lovely engineering, really lovely machining and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, pretty hopeful that it'll be a nice addition, and way better than my standard one, which has seen better days. So thanks.